Hello, and welcome to our new week, week 17. Almost close to the end of the school year. Let's see what you have to do. Day 1, Monday, June 7th. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click on Async. You have two activities to do. First activity is a Kahoot. Second activity is a listening comprehension with friends, similar to the one you've done before. So what you will do is you're going to watch this video and then you're going to answer questions from that video right here. You'll answer 4 questions from the video. And that's it for async. It's Monday, so we have class together on Zoom. So we'll do quite a few things. We're going to do a little writing test review. Then you guys will do the tech test, or as I call it, tech inquiry. And we will also select our classes for next semester. If you do pass level 6, what class do you want to take? And if you want morning, afternoon, or evening, and if you do not pass level 6, what do you want to take? So make sure all of you are on a laptop to do this activity, and then I will do speaking with the people who have signed up already for speaking. Okay, so it's a lot to do, so please come on time. And that's it for today. Good luck.